all my dear children, and I welcome you all for today's class in English Language, Class 5, Unit 7. The adverbs and kinds of adverbs. Okay, children? So in today's class, let us learn all about adverbs. Okay, that is the meaning of adverbs and the different kinds of adverbs. So let's get started. The adverbs is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb and tells us how a thing is done, when it is done, or where it is done. For example, the bird sang sweetly. Hari came yesterday. The sun shines everywhere. Okay, children? So, what is an adverb, children? An adverb is a word which is adding or which adds to the meaning of a verb. Now, what is a verb, children? An action doing word is called as verb. So, an adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb and tells us how a thing is done. Okay, when it is done or where it is done. So that is called as an adverb, children. Now, look at the first example. The bird sang sweetly. So, now, which is the action over here? Yes, sang. How did the bird sang? Sweetly. So, sweetly is what, children? It is adverb, children. Understood? See the next example. Hari came yesterday. So, when did Hari came? Or when it is done? Where the action is done? It has done yesterday. Okay, children? When it is done. Alright. The next example. The sun shines everywhere. Where it is done now, children, here, the third example, it is everywhere. So, what is an adverb, children? An adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb and tells us how a thing is done, when it is done, or where it is done. Okay, kind of adverb, that is adverbs of manner. Okay, adverbs of manner show how an action is done. Okay, children? For example, first sentence we can see, Mohan act wisely. So, now we can ask a question here, or how Mohan act. Okay, so how does Mohan act here? Mohan act wisely. So, adverb of manner show how an action is done. Okay, children? Let's see the next example. She spent all her wealth foolishly. So, now, how she spent her wealth? So, we are asking here, shows how an action is done. So, foolishly. Okay, children? The next sentence. The soldiers fought bravely. How did the soldiers fought? Yes, they fought bravely. So, adverbs of manner shows how an action is done. Okay, children? Have you understood? Now, in the first sentence, wisely, then foolishly, and bravely tells you how an action is done. So, this is all about adverbs of manner. Let's move to the next adverb. She ran fast. So, fast is a word which tells you adverb of manner. How does she ran? She ran fast. The boys rowed well. How did the boys row? Well. Okay, so well is a adverbs of manner. Now let us see the next kinds of adverb, that is adverbs of place. Adverbs of place show where an action is done. Okay, children. So it shows us where an action is done. For example, the boys are waiting outside. Where we are asking here, where the boys are waiting? Outside. So it is telling us the place. So that is why it is called as adverbs of place. We looked for her everywhere. Where do you look for her? We looked for her everywhere. So everywhere, the second example is a adverbs of place. Then the third example, hither and thither the children ran. Okay, hither and thither, this both the words are adverbs of place. So it is telling where other children ran. Alright, children. Next kind of adverb we will see, that is adverbs of time. Okay, so adverbs of time show when an action is done. Okay, children. Let us see the first example. He came here daily. So when did he come? He came daily. She left early. Early is a adverbs of time. When she left early. She will come presently. When she will come? Presently. So presently is a adverbs of time. The doctor is coming immediately. So immediately is adverbs of time, children. So this example, that is daily, early, presently, immediately, it is telling us or shows when an action is done, and that is why it is called as adverbs of time, children. Next kind of adverbs, let us see, that is adverbs of frequency. Okay, so what is adverbs of frequency? Adverbs of frequency shows how often an action is done. Okay, so how often it is repeated or how often it is done. Okay, see the first sentence. Twice the boy struck him. So twice is a frequency. Alright, so that is why it is a adverbs of frequency. It is showing you how often. So twice. He often talked to herself. Often. So often is adverb of frequency because it is showing how often the action is done. Then he seldom comes here. So seldom is nothing but how often it shows. So it is adverbs of frequency. The next sentence. She visited us once. So how often she visited? Once. So it is adverbs of frequency. So adverbs of frequency show how often an action is done. Okay, children. The next kind of adverb we'll see, that is adverbs of degree. Alright, children. Now, adverbs of degree show how much. Okay, it shows how much or to what extent a thing is done. Okay, children. So, what is an adverb of degree? Yes, it shows how much or to what extent the thing is done. For example, he was very tired. So, how much tired he was? He was very tired. So, very is telling the adverbs of degree. Alright, children. Then, he was quite worn out. So, the word quite. Alright. The next sentence. He was nearly exhausted. Nearly. He is entirely deaf. Entirely. He was somewhat pleased. Somewhat. Okay, children. So this each above words, each of the adverbs in the above sentence, alright, shows how much or to what extent the thing is done. That is very, quite, nearly, entirely. somewhat. Okay, so these words they show tells us or shows how much or to what extent a thing is done. All right, children. Now let's see some more examples. He is quite strong. Quite. Okay. The next example. Her face is very beautiful. Very. Your face is extremely red. Extremely. She was almost angry. Almost. The glass was nearly full. Nearly. Okay, children. In the above sentences, the adverbs, that is quite, very, extremely, almost, and nearly, which are used with adjectives. Okay, so these are adjectives, no, children? Which are those? Strong, beautiful, red, angry, full. Okay, so these are adjectives which are used with the adjectives and full to add something to their meaning. So these are adding something to their meaning. So these adverbs of degree, that is quite strong. So they are adding towards to the adjectives. Alright, children, which are used with the adjectives to add something to their meaning are also called adverbs of degree. Understood, children? So adverbs of degree show how much or to what extent a thing is done. Okay, children? Then in the above sentence, the adverb, that is quite, very, extremely, almost, and nearly, which are used with the adjectives. Alright, that is strong, beautiful, red, angry, and full to add something to their meaning are also called adverbs of degree, children. Understood, children? The next kind of adverbs we'll see, that is interrogative adverbs. Now, interrogative adverbs are used for asking questions. Okay, children? For example, when did he come? Okay. The next example, where did he go? You have a question mark over there. How are you today? How? Why are you late? Why? So, interrogative adverbs are used for asking questions. So, they are called as interrogative adverbs. Okay, children? Children, I hope you all have understood today's session. We'll meet you in the next session. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.